Greetings of the day. I am Sriharsha, rule number 28018. Today I am here to discuss about an article. The title of an article is Influence of COVID-19 on Manufacturing Industry and Corresponding Countermeasures from Supply Chains Perspective. About authors. The authors of this article are Juan Liu and Min Kai. Coming to Juan Liu, he is a PI at Tsinghua University and he was enrolled in the 1000 Young Talents Program of China in 2012 and received the Excellence Young Scientist Fund from the National Natural Science Foundation of China in 2013. He was supported by the National Key R&D Program of China in 2016 and 2020 and he is interested in ultrasound imaging and fluorescence imaging. He has also published over 160 journal papers, 80 conference proceeding papers, and 180 conference abstracts. Coming to Min Kai, he is a senior director at FTI Consulting and he is a member of the technology practice and is based in Melbourne, Australia. Min specializes in digital forensics, forensics data analysis, and IT security audit. With over 14 years experience in forensic technology and the IT risk industry, Min also worked in the United States, Hong Kong, Japan, China, and New Zealand for numerous large-scale data analytics, e-discovery, and forensic investigation matters. Overview of the article. It is critical for the recovery of manufacturing industry against COVID-19 by analyzing its impacts from supply chain perspective and exploring corresponding countermeasures. Firstly, this paper studies the initial impact caused by worldwide spread of the coronavirus, such as production disruption of raw materials and spare parts, unsatisfied market demand due to setbacks in logistics, increasing bankruptcy risk for small and medium-sized enterprises, that is SMSCs, and demand fluctuation enlargement. Secondly, the aftershock of COVID-19 is analyzed. With the trend of regionalization and digitalization, two-step countermeasures are proposed to help the recovery of manufacturing industry within the pandemic and better prepare for the post-COVID-19 world from supply chain perspective. Introduction of the article. The spread of COVID-19 has impacted global economics greatly, and industries like tourism, airline, and manufacturing industry have suffered in the first quarter. For manufacturing industry, risks have risen, including supply chain interruption due to production stop for raw material and spare parts, varied setbacks in logistics, and the unknown timeline for recovery. This coronavirus has affected manufacturing industries in China, US, and Germany. And in order to cope up with COVID-19, actions like flight stop, import slowdown on outside activities, restructuring has been implemented in many countries. China's Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, that is PMI, in February decreased to 35.7 with 14.3% lower than the PMI in January, as reported from the National Bureau of Statistics. According to IHS Market, Flash US marketing PMI in March was down to 49.2, which registered as the sharpest drop in output since August 2009. The same index for Germany dropped to 45.7 as well. Coming to COVID-19's initial impact on manufacturing supply chain. There are two phases of initial impact caused by the outbreak and spread of the coronavirus. In phase 1, the production was forced to pass in China and the global supply of raw materials and spare parts was shrunk within the delay and decrease of export orders mainly in the February and March. In phase 2, the supply and demand in manufacturing supply chain are severely impacted with the continuous spread of COVID-19 globally. And coming to production interruption of raw material and spare parts. In this, global supply chain has been formed for many manufacturing industries with enterprises closely connected with each other. And plenty of plants in countries like Germany and China are facing production interruption or delay due to COVID-19. In short time, a certain number of manufacturing enterprises which are deeply involved in global supply chain will be forced to shut down because of lockdown of raw materials and spare parts supply. In China, imports a lot from countries which are deeply affected by COVID-19. China is the main sourcing site for manufacturing industries, and due to plant shutdown or production delay within this China possesses great impacts on enterprises in related industries in other regions. Coming to unsatisfied demand due to setbacks in logistics. Logistics has become the weak spot for manufacturing industry after the breakdown of COVID-19. As for domestic logistics in China, long distances road transportation is mostly affected because of high control. The demand for these logistic services had dropped severely in short time because of the pandemic. Coming to increasing bankruptcy risk for SMEs. A great number of SMEs are on the edge of bankruptcy due to shrinking orders, increasing operation cost and limiting capital reserve. And higher fluctuation of supply and demand. Due to lockdown, the consumption of products used for social activities is decreased and the purchases of relatively high value products will be on the hold. Coming to COVID-19 aftershock on manufacturing supply chain. The impact is kept pumping with the globally continuous escalation of COVID-19. Even though the time frame and the extent of COVID-19's full impact are not fully revealed yet, the pandemic has already posted profound recommendations to manufacturing supply chains in two ways. They are they are transforming from globalization to regionalization and acceleration of supply chain digitalization. Nowadays, supply chain has been globally designed and optimal to identify proper lead time with the lowest operation cost for many manufacturing industries. And however, the risk of delivery delays emergently greatly because of the dependency on remote sources and complex logistics network caused by globalization. And with more mature development of big data and artificial intelligence as tools coupled with wider adoption of cloud-based technology and radio frequency identification in 5G environment, and in COVID-19 can slap a leap to the supply chain digitalization for manufacturing industries. Countermeasures for recovery of manufacturing supply chains. Although production has been gradually reduced in China since March, the situation may be not that promising in some particular companies, industries, or regions. Many enterprises may face the second wave of impact due to the shortage of key materials and decrease of export orders from overseas caused by continuous spread of COVID-19. Also, there will be profound changes to economy and life after the pandemic. Hence, a two-step corresponding actions is taken. They are responding to crises and ensuring business continuity, enhancing supply chain reliances in post-COVID-19 world. That is, companies have to address the most immediate and pressing challenges caused by COVID-19 and ensure the continuous business operation among all supply chain members. Even though manufacturing companies are busy dealing with immediate shock currently, they also need to think behind for fighting plan and to start to prepare for the post-crisis world to recover and thrive afterwards. COVID-19 has amplified the drawbacks of a complex and closely collaborated global manufacturing supply chain and also indicated its lack of resilience. Supply chain resilience is to be enhanced to improve its responsiveness to unforeseen shocks. Learnings from the articles. The main learnings, the keyways from this article are due to COVID-19, not only manufacturing industries like tourism, airline have suffered in the first quarter. COVID-19 has caused planned shutdown in major manufacturing countries due to the actions like lockdown, flight stop, outside activities restrictions, etc. Market demand has showed greater uncertainty in pandemic time, and the trust between China and Western countries is diminishing together with the decline of flow of people, fund, and trade. Multinational companies will seek to build manufacturing sites and supply network nearby the end market and from regionalizing supply chain. And then for manufacturing related work, the workers want to be in the site, though so they are preferring safety precautions for the workers. Coming to results of this article, assessing COVID-19 impact from the supply chain perspective and exploring countermeasures is critical for manufacturing industry. So, two-step countermeasures are suggested. They are the first step is to ensure the continuous supply chain operations at present, and the second step is to enhance supply chain resilience for better preparations to recover and thrive afterwards. And thank you.